I'm going to teach you how to microwave a kebab. This is a sikha kebab, and I will teach you how to microwave it. Let's go! So first of all, you have to have your kebab, which is really important, and throw the box in, doesn't matter, and then press some random numbers that makes no sense at all, and yeah, microwave it. Okay, now if your kebab is ready, open the door. Okay, open the door. It's hard to do. And then it's supposed to look. Now we're going to take a taste test, and we have manners, fork, and this. Ah! Ow!